Hey YouTube, my last video was about a lighter I got, a Zippo replica lighter that was cheaper. But now, as you can see, it's out of lighter fluid and it just goes the spark. So if you're wondering if you want to put it in the back like that, no, you can't put it in there. What you have to do, it's very weird. Just watch. Grab where the fire comes out, right here, and pull it until the thing comes out. Right here. Now you can see the back of it. What you do is you press that. You gotta open the foam padding, and then you'll see a little space right here. What you're gonna do with that is you're gonna take your Zippo lighter fluid, and pour it in there. Don't pour too much or else it'll make a huge flame. I poured too much once and the thing where you light it, this thing got on fire and it started burning, so watch. Here it's filled. Now you're going to put it back in the case. Really simple. And watch, it'll work. Really cool. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. Leave comments and subscribe.